Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com. Making this a small video as a continuation of the yesterday's video about the pound and the pound pairs. So let's get started. Today, let me see what happened. I made the pound. Let me go back a little bit. Okay, now I made this pound index weekly chart. This one on the 29th May. And you can see here that, this is the monthly chart TL, and I'm showing that it is going to drop, right? After hitting the TL, was a little room there, but I was expecting a down move. And after a few weeks, we are still here. And finally, this chart I made last, last weekend, Saturday, the 17th, the market was there. So I made the chart, and I was expecting a down move. And you can see here that, must stay below 68, 61 is right there, right? And if that happens and start to go down, all pairs will be going down. That's what happened, because except one pair, euro pound is the pound is on the right hand side on that pair, so that will go. Whoops, sorry. Yeah, that's another empty for the broker. Anyway, so and then that start to happen. All right. This is when you have, okay. Anyway, so I hope it's not gonna happen again. All right, so this is what happened here. So this pound index starts to drop. So let's see how I found my entries, right? So if I'm watching all 4 or 5 pairs, then the entries will come in maybe 2 or 3 will give me the right setup, and not all of them, right? Sometimes all of them, but and also I made this chart. Okay, for example, now this chart I made, and also I had this chart on the June 24. This is yen index 20-minute, and I said this yen is gonna drop from here to here for wave C, according to this scenario, right? And what happened is that yen is always on the right hand side. So if yen index is dropping, and yen index is just the opposite of all the other indexes. Yen index dropping means yen is getting strong. So yen is always on the right hand side, so all yen pair would be going down, right? So both the pound and the yen index going down, that means all pound pair going down, and the yen index going down means all yen pairs are going to go down, right? So pound pairs and yen pairs, they're supposed to go down. So let's see what happened today on Monday. This was on the yen. Okay, this is what happened to this yen index so far as of the end of today, right? From point B, it came down all the way here from June 24 to July 19. And I had several big trades. But let's see what happened yesterday. Today, 19th. This is the first one on Sunday when the market opened up. The entry was on for last Friday, but I ended up 125 pip today on the Sunday night when the market opened up. After that, I had Aussie yen, because of I just showed you yen index was dropping. All yen pairs supposed to go down, so this went down 135 pip. Here, euro yen, because of the yen, beautiful short entry, and went down for 100 pip. And finally, again, pound yen, 19th today. This was the one I just showed you on the 18th happened, and this is another one for 95 pip from here to here. And I believe that I have another one going down. Okay, the target is 48.19 on pound yen. So this is how easy it is if you follow the system, right? So this is just one of the show, and then I have several entries right now. So if they all go in my way, and if they travel more than 40-50 pip, only then I'll make the charts. But if my SL hit or break even, I don't bother making any chart or tell anyone what happened. Right? It's too much work. So this is what it is. And another thing that I would like to say is that I'm going to stop sending these videos in the email. I used to do that. So if you like what you saw, you want to watch my current video as soon as they come out. So please go ahead and subscribe my channels, and whatever the procedure is, so that when I upload a new video, you will get it immediately. Okay. So this is it for now, and pound index, a long way to go down, and yen index might retrace now, but pound index, yes, it is going down, and more to come. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading day. By the way, US dollar index is getting strong, so all 4 pair are going down, 3 going up. Right? Euro USD, pound USD, they're going down. So watch out. I'm gonna make a video on the US dollar index as well, maybe in a few hours. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.